Generative AI versus agentic AI. Generative AI produces new content by learning patterns from data. Agentic AI goes further. It plans, decides, and takes actions to achieve a goal. Think of generative AI as an artist creating on request, while agentic AI is an assistant that can plan and complete tasks on its own. Generative AI, the creative engine. Generative AI learns patterns from data to create new content like text, images, music, or code. It's reactive. You give a prompt, and it produces a focused output. Examples: ChatGPT writes human-like text for articles, emails, and answers. DALL-E or Midjourney turn text prompts into original images. GitHub Copilot suggests code and completes functions. Soundful generates custom music tracks for creative projects. Agentic AI, the autonomous decision maker. Agentic AI works with autonomy. It understands its environment, plans steps, makes decisions, and takes action to reach a goal, often across multiple tasks. It's proactive, requiring little human guidance, and can use generative AI as a tool to get the job done. Key differences: generative AI versus agentic AI. Generative AI reacts to prompts and creates single outputs like text or images. Agentic AI is goal-driven, working autonomously to plan and execute multi-step tasks. For example, generative AI can write a blog post, while agentic AI can research, draft, and even send the final report automatically. Understanding this helps teams choose between creative content generation and autonomous task management.